Alright, so magandang Friday afternoon sa lahat ng Delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan do, Gigi Sunga. Alright, so Friday at medyo hindi magandang pakiramdam natin because of the weather ba yan? Malamig, mainit, or sa mga schedule natin, loaded na si Doc. And sa mga pangyayari sa buhay natin. Anyway, so we're still okay. Kaya pa naman natin mag-vlog kasi naisip ko lang to, just want to share. Na-inspire ako sa vlog ni Ty Lopez ngayon lang. I'm watching Ty Lopez right now. How to earn an extra at least 200,000 a month. Just an extra. Okay? And yung ordinaryong tao or average person, kaya ba yan? And how to do that, okay? So, pero bago yan, gusto ko muna mag-announce. So, sa lahat naman gustong magpa-coach sa akin, online or personal, and if you want to advertise your business, message ka lang sa akin, 0939-5254311 or sa aking FB page mismo, Dr. Gigi Sunga. And nagpapasalamat tayo sa bago nating COO yan. Na nag-aayos na ating mga schedule, nagmamanage sa iba nating mga plans, mga business. So, maraming salamat kay Ma'am Joyce Yo. Yan, Joyce Yo. Meron din po siya YouTube channel and she's also a business coach. If you want to know more about laundry business, mag-message lang kayo sa akin. Kukunin ko kayo kay Ma'am Joyce. Okay. Alright, so paano ba gagawin yon to earn an extra 200,000 a month? Di ba? Minsan, kahit 5,000 lang, gusto natin magkaroon ng extra income, di ba? I remember when I was just starting my life, my journey towards a wealthy life. Ginagawa ko po, meron akong sa school namin, overload. That is to teach extra load sa college namin. To earn an extra money. Okay? Just to earn 2,000 pesos a month or 2,500. Imagine that. Okay? Yung 2,500 na yun, it's very important sa ordinaryong tao. And ngayon, eto pinangarap natin yung pinapangarap natin from 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. Pero yung 200,000, paano mo kakayanin? And this is what I'll be sharing to you na na-experience ko. Okay? So, wala tayong ibang hindi tayo nagmamalaki, hindi tayo nagyayabang or anything else. Okay? So, I just want to share para sa mga delivers natin, sa mga average person like me, sa mga ordinary person like me, na you can have this extra income. Okay? Meron ka lang dapat gawin. Ang mahalaga lang talaga, you just make a decision and do some steps. Do small steps and big steps para makamit mo yan extra 200,000 a month. Okay? So, sa lahat ng mga nangangarap na magkaroon yan, kayang-kaya, pwedeng-pwede. Because I dream of that in 6 months. After 6 months, I started getting it. Okay? So, doon siya nagsimula. When I started that target. So, ang mahalaga lang, alam mo kung ano pwede mong gawin. Simula mo lang, you just make a decision. List down your target. Na ito, kahit hindi 200,000, I want to have a 50,000 extra income. Or 100,000 extra income a month. Okay? So, ano ba naging secret natin? Okay, number one, hindi ko pinalampas ang trend. I catch the trend. I go to e-commerce business. Yun talaga siya ngayon ang trend eh. Diba? Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng extra income, magpunta ka, makiuso ka na. Diba? Walang masama kung nakikiuso ka eh. Diba? Just catch the trend. Kung hindi, may iwanan ka. And it will take you a lot of effort para magkaroon ka ng extra income. Pero kung sa trend ka nasasabay, sa trend, sa uso, diba? You'll be catching the trend, makukuha mo siya. I tried e-commerce business. I tried it and it works. Alright? So I have my YouTube channel. That's number one source. More than half of it actually galing kay YouTube. Okay? Then I have my e-marketing website and other e-commerce business. Now, nagtitrain kami ng mga gustong magkaroon din ng e-commerce business. So I have my team who's working with me na para makapagturo kami ng mga ordinaryong tao, ordinaryong empleyado, average person para magkaroon ng extra income. So if you want to go to e-commerce, so we can help you. You just choose a platform, kung anong platform gusto mo, Website ba yan? YouTube ba yan? FB page ba yan? If you want us to manage your FB page or FB account. So, lahat na yan, nasa isang business namin yan. So, that's e-commerce business. So, you can start it. Huwag mong palampasin yung trend. Yan nga ngayon, di ba? Nakita naman natin, di ba? Kahit nga mga artista, di ba? May YouTube channel na sila. Nakita nila, ito na yung trend, di ba? Ito na siya. Ba't mo pa palalampasin? Ayun na nga, padaan-daan sa'yo, di ba? Para ka na nga inaano di ba? Namamagnet ka na nga di ba? Ba't hindi ka pa mag-join? Ba't hindi ka pa sumali? Di ba? Go to e-commerce business. Alam nyo bakit? Ang e-commerce business, less hassle talaga siya. Wala kang masyado expenses. Actually, wala kang masyado expenses. Very minimal expenses with what I'm earning. Just, bumili lang ako ng camera ko, di ba? Well, of course, I hired people to help me for the technical skills. Pero still, it's a lot less hassle than other business. Diba? So, wala akong physical store, wala akong inventory. Diba? I don't need to go to different places to buy supplies, raw materials, and everything. Wala. Okay? So, umano lang ako, sumakay lang ako sa train ng trend. Ano, paano ba yung i-coin yun? But something like that. So, I went to e-commerce business. Right? I joined it. Okay. Second, okay? The secret, how to earn at least 200,000 a month and extra. Kahit ikaw ay average person, you go to sales. Okay? You just sell something. Okay? Kung ano yung, di ba may mga nakita tayo online, trial mo lang naman. Di ba? Kung hindi ka sa product na yung magtagumpay, at least, natutunan mo yung process. Then again and again, ulitin ko pa rin sinabi ni Jim Rohn. It's not about that thing, okay? Yung online selling, but what you become during the process. During the process of selling that, hindi ka kumita ng malaki, pero natutunan mo yung process, natutunan mo kung paano mag-market, di ba? Natutunan mo paano makipag-usap sa mga clients, to set up a business meeting, to say your piece. Natutunan mo yung elevator pitch na tinatawag, di ba? So, you go to sales, ang dami mo pwedeng matutunan. Alam nyo, if you're going to look back during my high school, college days, hindi mo isipin mapupunta ako sa sales, that I'll be selling different products, that I'll be marketing different products from different companies. Halo-halo na po sila mula doon sa, or from average person hanggang sa pang high-end. I was surprised when there was a manager from Ayala Land. Kinontak ako to advertise, to sell Avida Towers. Di ba? So, you just have to, you just have to show na yung market, yung clients natin, pakita mo lang that you're interested, you're passionate about it, then just go. Start it. Di ba? So, kung hindi ka, wala ako, Doc, yung background ko, hindi ako sales Mas lalo po ako. I'm an education graduate. Well, of course, advantage kung BSBA ang course mo, business course, di ba? That's an advantage. Pero kahit ano ang course mo po, kahit ano ang background mo, basta alam mo that you, from your heart, you have that desire to earn, so walang imposible. Walang imposible. Okay? So, just try. Okay? Marami naman dyan, mga kaibigan mo, nagbebenta na kung ano, makibenta-benta ka na rin. Then, eventually, before knowing it, nagbebenta ka na ng mga, sa real estate ka na. Diba? You just have to start. Lahat naman nagsimula sa, with your desire, and start. Okay? And third, what is my secret is to have this business partnership, collaboration. The term is collaboration. You collaborate. Okay? You talk to people na merong capital. Kung ikaw may idea, tapos may capital siya, then have a meeting, then start your idea. Okay? Start your business. Or kung meron kang pera, pero wala kang technical skill, collaborate with person na may technical skill. And that's what I'm doing right now. Last night, I was talking to someone to launch another project. Marami ako, alam niyo po, sa isip ko ngayon, sabi ko kay Ma'am AJ kanina, Ma'am Janet, ang daming ideas running into my mind. So, ang dami. So, sabi ko sa kanya, ang kailangan ko ka-partner, collaborate. So, I'm looking for person na pwede akong tulungan. Kaya pag may nakita ako, alam mo, pag meron akong kino-coach, nakita ko may potential siya, sabi ko, mag-business partner na tayong dalawa. Kahit nga minsan, ordinary, pag nakita ko yung tao na pagmasdan ko, parang may potential to. Mag-meeting tayo, tara, let's do it. Business partnership. At, may mga small businesses ako na may mga kapartner ako. And I'm earning money from our partnership na ang ginagawa ko lang is to market the business and try to conceptualize. Basta pag may idea ako, hindi ko na pinapakawalan. Kaya yung aking pong kanang kamay, alam niya na, pag tinext ko siya, eto na idea ko, ilagay mo lang dyan, lista mo lang, baka mawala. Right ngayon, may naisip na naman ako, hindi ko lang muna tinetext, baka mabigla siya. Anyway, so kasi medyo nga, we need to rest, medyo masama ang ating pakiramdam, kaya ayoko muna mag-entertain, okay? Anyway, so yan na, gusto ko lang tapusin tong vlog natin na to, that hindi imposible that you can earn as high as and more, 200,000 a month, an extra. Okay? So, kung ikaw isang nanonood ka ngayon, ordinaryong, kahit na OFW ka, o dito sa Pilipinas, na naisip mo parang wala ng chance, mabubuhay ka na lang sa sweldo mo, na break even, di ba? So, hindi pwede, okay? So, hindi pwede yan. Kailangan mangarap tayo, okay? So, you go to e-commerce business, go to sales, have business partnership, hindi ko pa nabanggit, okay? You go to investment, mag-invest tayo, at isa sa pinakamatatag talaga na ina-advertise natin is IMG. Yan, kasama na natin ang Sun Life. Okay? Kahit na ibang insurance company naman, meron akong Manulife eh. Okay? So, pwede natin go. You just have to start your investment. So, kung paano, and eto, isang din malaking tulong sa akin is IMG. So, kung paano katutulong na IMG, message mo lang ako. Okay? Meron silang office sa Makati. Isa siyang investment company na alam mong 101% hindi siya scam. Okay? Hindi siya scam. So, sabi ko nga, sa lahat na mag-invest dyan sa IMG na recommended ko, then, kung may scam man kayo, willing ko bayaran ng pera nyo. Kasi, sigurado ako, 101% hindi siya scam. Lalo sa mga OFW, na walang mapaglalaanan ng pera nila, na hindi alam kung saan dadalhin ng pera, nauubos din, lipo, nauubos, di ba? You go to IMG. And doon mo ma-discover, ito pala yung kayang gawin sa akin na IMG. Part siya ng ating 200,000 na extra income. Alright? Okay, so please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at tumulad ng ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Givers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yan. Let's go, let's go.